this is day 2 and hopefully we'll find something to do at the beach. Hopefully we'll find a jet ski or banana ride or something. You know what I mean. Okay, is he coming back?
No, we still have time.
Ah, okay. Right, let's call him back now. He's enjoying himself. He's really having a blast time. doesn't want to come back. He's just enjoying himself. Well, I wanted to go as well, but because last night I saw this Meg movie, which was all about killing sharks coming out in the water. So that's why I can't. So that's why I am afraid of this water now, because I don't know. And the wave is a little bit high as well. Yeah. Okay.
You catch system, huh? When I teach you first time, you catch a system.
He's good, isn't it?
Yeah, another person I have to run 2-3 times.
Really? Oh, good, yeah, good.
Battery,
Oh, good, Liam, very well. Well done, good. Shake hand. Oh, well done. How was it? Yeah, you enjoyed it? Well done. I saw you, you were riding. I thought you were doing experiments with one hand, you know. Oh, well done, boy, well done. You know, the things I couldn't do, my son is doing it. Well done, I'm proud of you. I am proud of you, man, I'm proud of you, because you have done it on my behalf. Well done. Guys, leave your thumbs up if you like this ride. Don't forget it, leave your thumbs up now, and I'll see you later.